And we are back for another install. Today we're going to be doing boom
banners,
little windshield banner action, and decal on top of the banner. So I don't know if you guys saw the other banner that we used to have. I'll go ahead and play a clip of it right now. That's the banner we used to have, and now we're kind of upgrading to these new ones. You guys will get to see them in a bit, but we're gonna show you guys how to install a banner properly in 3, 2, whatever.
Alright, some things you might want to need is some magnets to hold the wrap while you're doing it, some little knives to cut the wrap, another knife just in case you don't want to damage the paint, 2 squeegees, one for you, one for your friend, and some soapy water.
Don't forget the soapy water. Well, it depends. If you're using like regular like car vinyl, you're not gonna need the soapy water. You're gonna need like a heat gun and all that stuff. But with the wrap or with the vinyl we're using, you need the soapy water. So it kind of works out.
Alright, just make sure you clean the windshield.
Yeah, make sure you get it nice and clean wherever you're gonna put the vinyl at. That way you don't have any like air bubbles or any dirt under it. And you should be good to go, and we'll go right into the install. Alright, what you want to do first is kind of measure out to see where you're gonna lift it up. Kind of see where you're gonna want the banner at. Alright, it looks kind of straight right there, so we're gonna go with that. Now we're gonna go ahead and peel the back to it, and then let me get this real quick. Make sure you want to spray the vinyl and the windshield itself. That way, if it like you see any air bubbles, we can get them all out and it doesn't stick right away. This will kind of give us like a little time frame so we can work with it before it actually sticks onto the windshield itself.
It ain't safe for the black or the white girls.
Alright, we're gonna go ahead and spray down the windshield, get it nice and lubricated. And this is just baby soap. There's the fakey baby soap. Alright, got the windshield all sprayed, and then we're gonna spray
The back.
giving this guy a shower. Alright, and then we're gonna go ahead and lay it down. Does that look good?
Yellow? Yellow?
No. Where's the little thing at? Yeah, it should be good right there. Alright, we kind of laid it where we wanted it. Now we're going to go ahead and squeegee all the water out. That way it's able to stick on there properly.
So this is what we have accomplished so far. We have it all, see, let's see, get the light. We have it all cut up, everything, cut the edges, cut the excess of material. So now we're just gonna get the heat gun to evaporate all the water. Then we're gonna put on the decal over there. And then we should call it a day for today's install.
Alright, so now we're pretty much going to measure the whole length. That way we can find where the middle's at. So we can align the decal right in the middle. Alright, so we pretty much just figured out where the center of the windshield is at. Now we're going to measure the decal itself to find the center of it. Alright, now we have the center of the banner and the center of the windshield. Just going to line it up, slap it on there. Alright, got our marks all lined up. Now we just gotta squeegee it out. Alright, nice and squeegeed. Now we're gonna do the big reveal. Alright guys, about to show you the final product. Oh, oh! Check out that color shift on there. What is it called? It's called oil slick. Give you guys a sick edit.
And I'm feeling
And that's gonna do it for today. Quick little banner install. Not that hard. All you need is some soapy water, squeegee, and that's pretty much it, honestly. But let us know what you guys think of the new banners. Should we sell them? Maybe? Yeah, let us know. What about some merch? You guys want some merch? Let us know down in the comments below. We should start making some merch, some banners. Just let us know down in the comments. Decals, whatever. Anything.
Tags.
Just give us ideas, guys. Throw some ideas out there and we'll make them happen. Anyways, oh, shout out to the homie
J.Auto Graphics
on Instagram. Make sure to follow him. Check out his work. Obviously came out pretty clean. We'll link him down below. Give him a little shout out for hooking us up. We got that, and then we got some other goodies. We'll save it for next video, but that's gonna do it for today, guys. Peace out and always keep improving.